Yeah, hi Ria. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome to the first mock PI session of yours. So I'll introduce you to the panel. So basically, we have Vishal sir, who is the director of Pehel organization and a management expert. Also, we have Raja sir, who has more than 24 years of experience in the industry, and he is from New Delhi. Also, he is a textile designer and a social responsibility consultant. We have Vijay sir along with us in the panel. He is the regional head of Pehel Uttarakhand Center, also a design mentor.
Good afternoon, panel.
Good afternoon,
And
Riya.
good afternoon, Ria.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, dear.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So, in just two lines, give your introduction.
Good afternoon. I am Ria Arora. I'm a BCom graduate from Rajasthan College, Delhi University. I hail from battlefield and textile city Panipat. It's famous for its battles and textiles. The city is famous for its three battles, which turned to be table turns in the history later. The battles are even famous in Bollywood after the release of the movie Panipat, casting
Okay,
some lead
okay,
actors.
okay.
And the city is famous for its textiles and weaving. The city is a center for handloom products such as bed sheets, blankets, cushion covers, sofa fabrics, towels, etc.
Great, great. Okay, Ria, just to understand about what are your aspirations. So, you're pursuing for MFM?
Yes, sir.
Great. So, what are your expectations from MFM courses?
Sir, since I'm from a commerce background, I would love to go, have a career based around the management skills only.
What kind of management skills? Can you just highlight some of the skills that you're looking forward for?
Uh, maybe, I mean, to run an enterprise, we need so many management skills, whether it's related to finance or handling a team or marketing the product or just checking the inspection. So MFM is a course which, related to creative as well as the management side.
But I
So
must tell you, Ria, IIMs are offering a much better management course than what NIFT is offering. So if you are given an opportunity to go to Indian Institute of Management to learn this trade, uh, then what do you think you will be doing?
they're majoring, offering diplomas, I guess.
Okay.
Whereas NIFT is offering a regular degree.
So how this degree and diploma will affect your competence level?
It doesn't affect my confidence level, but I guess in placements, if you have a regular degree, you have worked 24/7 in that, in the place. So of course, it
Okay.
it has
Okay.
you always have an edge over others when you have done a regular degree over diploma.
Okay. Okay. So are you nervous?
A little bit.
Okay, okay. Be comfortable. Okay, be comfortable, and we'll take it accordingly. So, Ria, as you said that you are looking for a placement. Okay, so what kind of placement you are looking forward after completing your MFM?
Okay, to be very honest, right now I can't be, very specific about whether I want to go into visual merchandising or marketing just by, having a gloomy picture of the industry. I guess I have to first learn and brush up my skills in the NIFT, and then accordingly I can decide where I stand in the industry.
Okay, okay, okay. So, you did your graduation in BCom, right? So, what was your favorite subject in BCom?
Okay, there were plenty of them: business management, HRM.
Mm-hmm.
It
Okay.
changes every semester actually.
Oh, okay, okay. So, which year you completed your BCom?
2020.
2020. So, what have you been doing in this past 1 year?
Okay, firstly, I learned how to ruin my kitchen with my experiments,
Okay.
and I also not learned, I already knew, but I brushed up my skills. I know how to create outfits out of old denims.
Mm-hmm.
I live in a joint family, so we are discarding old denims in a month. Anybody is doing that. So I learned how to create an outfit. So I
Okay.
created an off-shoulder dress out of my old denims.
Okay, if we have to ensure me as a faculty or of NIFT, so why do you think you are the right candidate for a MFM course?
So as I already mentioned, MFM is a blended course which requires creativity as well as management skills.
Mhm.
So I guess I have experience for both of them. Since childhood, I've been doing artworks. I've been creating mosaics, glass paintings, canvas paintings, and I was also rewarded second position for an event called Playing with Denim, in which I created that outfit out of old denims. Uh, that was organized by Pearl Academy. So
So, if I just want to ask a last question from my side, so you said that you are planning for a sort of enterprise, okay, post your MFM, right? Am I right?
if I'm eligible for that, I would love to do that.
Okay. Suppose you learn a trait of entrepreneurship, you learn the trait of management, everything that you want to learn in a management course. You are thorough with that, the very good CGPA, in fact. But if I give an opportunity to start an enterprise of your own with the interest of your denim, as you said that you have an inclination and interest for converting denims into different kind of dresses and use it. So how can you take that enterprise forward into your own brand and label in the coming days?
Okay, starting with it is a different concept. Nobody, I guess right now is currently doing that. So I always have an edge over others because this is a new thing. So I have ample of, opportunities to present that. And secondly, it's also sustainable. I am indirectly or directly contributing to, recycling that. So I guess I can capture a lot of people by that idea also.
Great, great. Okay, thank you, Ria. That is from my side. Raja sir, I pass it on to you.
Yeah, Ria, hi.
I see.
What would be your priorities if you are given a chance of joining MDes instead of MFM? And what would be your career options basing on the replies that you had given to Mr. Vijay? Okay, as you have a background of a little bit of experience of a designing and creative part, not not being a non-designer. You're a non-designer, but still you have an inclination towards those kind of things.
Yes.
So what would be your priorities if you are given a chance of joining MDes over MFM? Would you be able to justify your career, or you would not be able to justify your career?
I guess I can do that. I won't be by saying that I can't go for that because honestly, I was initially planning for BTS also, but at that time also, I decided that I really didn't want to go to the hardcore textile field. I mean, I like the industry, but I can't just sit and design outfit. I'm not that good in buying or knowing the fabrics. So I guess I won't fit myself into major hardcore textile designing.
Do you think that if a textile designer would, a BDES guy or a textile designer would not be a very good fashion designer in comparison to just a fashion designer who cannot be a textile designer?
Sorry, sir, can you please repeat?
I'm just asking a question. Would a textile designer be a good fashion designer?
Yeah, surely
So
they.
how good they would be in comparison to a fashion designer?
How would they be good in?
How would they be much better off than a fashion designer? Because I have seen most of designers, normal non-fashion designers, are taking fashion as their core competencies, constructing a garment or getting into the fashion line. So what
It's
do you think about yourself? Where do
skills,
you
I
fit
guess.
yourself?
So it's more
Sorry?
about skills. I guess it's more about skills rather time. I have invested, say I completed BDES instead of BCom. So that doesn't make me fit for that course. Maybe someone else who haven't done BDES is more capable than me. So I guess it's more about your skills in hands rather than time.
Okay. Vishal.
You Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, after BCom, why MFM? Why not going for MBA program? That why MFM only?
Oh, that is also management based course. I can't really deny. But
Hmm.
they just want you to sit and just sell their products, not using their brains or something. Try to make
Hmm.
it open. But in this field, I can offer not only for the sales side, I can go for visual merchandising or marketing team or buying team. Then I'll
Okay.
have a blend of both the things.
Okay. And what do you understand by break even? Do you have like any idea about it? Break even. Yes.
When you can cover your costs.
Okay. Have you like you did your BCom? So do you have any kind of interest in account also, or it is only management you subject
Uh,
you are more into?
I am not so good at accounts. I would say I'm not that good with numbers.
Apart from account, what were your favorite subjects in your BCom?
I like economics, business studies, HRM.
And what do you understand by micro and macroeconomics?
Microeconomics is just related to one unit, whereas
Hmm.
macroeconomic is a whole industry altogether.
Any any great economist that the name you want to share with me, share with us, like
Um,
that you know?
Great economist.
Hmm.
I can't think of it right now, really.
Okay, great. Okay, that's all from my side. Yes. Huh. Yeah, Vijay sir, yeah, please
Yeah,
feedback.
yeah, yeah, yeah. रिया, ओके, बहुत कैजुअल था, बहुत कैजुअल. ओके, मतलब if you ask me, it was not looking like that you are very much concerned and very much sincere toward the MFM program. Okay, now why I'm saying you casual, there are three aspects, just understand. First, um, whatever question was asked to you, you are not sticking to one particular trait. So when it was asked your favorite subject, you dwindle between 3 4 subjects. Okay, then when there was a question asked about why not normal MBA and why MFM, then you are not very sure into that aspect also. Then you started talking about degree and diploma. Okay, so I'll not say that your answer should be appropriate, but what I need to what we need to feel and realize is that you are one of the serious candidate who is trying to fit into that MFM program naturally or through the effort. There are only two ways of going through it. Either you have to very natural in your progression, or you have to have an effort going toward that program. So in your case, neither of the things were coming forward. Okay, so other thing to आप कर सकते हो, सीख सकते हो over a period of time, whatever date you have, you can figure it out, structure your answer, but structure them out properly, write them out, uh, because you have prepared only one question, what I feel about you. And I feel even about when you are describing about yourself, do not exaggerate your introduction beyond your family, I'll say, initially, to go with your academics background, or for that matter any other important significant achievement that you have during your academics. You never say that I was very good at economics. If you have some other facts to say, sir, I scored say 9.8% CGPA in my economics, or 99 or 90% in my commerce, whatever subject it may be. Okay, I think you are trying to get what I'm trying to say when I say casual approach. Okay,
Yes,
casual approach in terms of understanding.
sure, sir.
Okay, so I wish you all the best, just work on those content. I think you will able to do it up because you have got a very nice pleasant presentation. Okay, but to complement that, you should have a content also.
Sure, sir.
Okay,
I'll surely
all
do
the
that.
best, all the best. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Raja sir, muted sir aap.
Okay, Riya. To start with your introduction, it was a big no-no when you said good afternoon panel. So we are not panel. Okay, we are individuals. It's very important that you at least you are supposed to say and should be saying either by name or search. It is very important. You cannot be saying panel.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
that is the biggest no in any organization when you start with a hello panel. No, a panel is a group of people, individuals who are interviewing you. Okay,
Okay.
so it is very important if you know them by name, which are there on your screen. Okay, the way we are addressing you, it is not that we are addressing you with you a girl. Okay, are we saying you're a girl? No, we are not, but we can see your name on the screen, so we can say by looking at the screen by individual name. That is very important, the way we address. And starting with that was a big bang, but when you started the good afternoon panel, that was a big no any organization to start with. Okay, and
Sorry to interrupt you.
no,
Can
no,
I
no.
ask
It is.
question?
Sorry. No, 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 no. It is just you don't have to feel sorry for it, but we are giving
No,
you a feedback. We are feedbacking you. Okay. It is not that we felt
Sure.
bad. So, we are only feedbacking you to make you learn that how to address people. Okay. It is very important. It is not a question of feeling bad and all these things.
Can
We are
I ask
educating
you
you.
a question, sir, please?
Sorry.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, please.
So in case we have two males and one female teacher, so how can I in that only I thought
No, you
so.
can just say, I mean, good morning, sir, and good afternoon, ma'am. I mean,
Okay.
yeah. So it is right. So it doesn't matter if how many times you're saying good afternoon or good morning, but you are addressing each and every person.
Okay.
Okay, you don't know their name, but usually whenever it happens and an introduction takes place, every person introduces themselves. I am so and so. Then immediately you can say that hi sir, good morning. Whenever she says that she introduces you, then you can say good afternoon, ma'am. No need to take the name in here there. But we cannot say that good afternoon. Either good afternoon, everybody can be a much better, but good afternoon panel is a wrong term that we are using. Okay, that is one.
Okay.
And then you should be very you are confused over the careers which I was going through. I cannot actually specify when it is, but you need to be very clear about your career choices after doing MFM. Okay, and then I would think that MDes would have been a better choice for you than MFM, which I feel as a career consultant, something like that, because you have that kind of background. Okay, and then if you're changing into fashion, yes, that is your preference of doing it. But what I feel is that MDes would have been a better choice. Okay, no problem there, because you belong to a rich place where you are aware of the handloom sectors and all the kind of techniques that had been happening are there prevalent in Panipat. Okay, so which is a big name in the world industry as in textile industry. And the other thing is like the third point is the diploma and degree. IIM diploma and NIFT degree is like this. IIM is there, NIFT is somewhere here. Okay, diploma is not I'm doing it like work from home or they are regular courses. Okay, they have a vast experience. It is very easy go for doing a normal management in fashion, but it is not an easy cakewalk doing an IIM. Okay, it is such an extensively very tough examination to crack, and also an extensive program career process that goes on for 2 years. Okay, so obviously we don't actually stand somewhere near them if we are taking IIMs and then finance management people. And IIM guy would be able to make a fashion management student look like an insect. Okay, with the kind of caliber, with the kind of exposure they have, the kind of learning they have, overall learning. That is why they change careers from mechanics to yarns and textile industries or automobile industries or any industry. They fit into anything. They just need some time to do that. Okay, so don't ever think that IIM diploma or NIFT degree, sir, वो तो diploma है, नहीं, वो diploma नहीं है. इसी वजह से people are enthusiastic to go to IIMs as a management student than choosing something else. Okay, these are the 3 points. You have to be very clear on most of your terms, and it is if diploma is never. Even I have done diploma degree from NIFT priorly now, which is become a degree now. Okay, so
How
these are the
can
things.
I justify this then if they ask me this question, IM versus NIF?
No. I'm just giving you because you had a confusion, sir. That is, IM is a diploma, na, and NIFT का degree there है, बहुत value होगा नहीं. IM is Indian Institute of Management. Here it is National Institute of Fashion Management.
But if they
Okay.
ask me that, why not IMs? Why you opt for NIF? So how
If
can
they
I
would see, if Vijay sir has asked you,
Yes.
okay, even I have put indirectly, but you have a different observation. You didn't have that knowledge actually. Diploma का क्या value IIM का होगा और NIFT management student का क्या होगा? Okay, you have to be
What
clear.
I
in
have
this.
said, I mean, I can't even say ki, no, I would like to go to IM. Then they
No. Vijay sir has asked you like IIM का क्या ये value होगा और NIFT management student का क्या value होगा? तो आपने ये बोला कि सर वो तो डिप्लोमा है ना, ये तो डिग्री है. डिग्री का ज्यादा वैल्यू होगा और डिप्लोमा का बहुत कम वैल्यू होगा. But you are not talking about, you are not taking about the core institute that he has told. Okay, so this is it. Okay, Vishal.
Yeah, I think most of the feedback have been already given by them, but I'd like to add few points. That if you're coming from BCom, then coming to MFM, then again you'll have to understand why BCom, then coming to. Do not talk that I was also thinking to BDES program like at my during after my 12th. Do not talk about those things. Fine. And when you're talking about MFM, then you have to relate your BCom with MFM. BCom, most of the subject, what I know, it is all about accounts. So it is showing that you are doing for the sake of graduate degree. That should not reflect in your answer. Fine. So that I'd like to say only, because that BCom, that is of 3 years program, degree program, and if you are saying that I am not interested in account and all, do not say these all things. Huh? You can talk about how that BCom is related to this MFM program. So those things you don't have to talk. It doesn't have any value of it. Fine. Otherwise, fine. Everything I already have given you feedback, so I have nothing to add much. That's all from my side, and all the best for your PI round. Fine.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, Ria. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Ria. We'll get back to you for the next session of mock PI. Okay, so you can exit. You can leave the meeting for now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.